Chalo, sir, chalo. So again, very good evening to all of you guys, and welcome to Oliveboard. So here I am with the the mock analysis for NTPC. Here I am with the mock analysis for NTPC exam. So this week's NTPC, most probably a couple of weeks only left before your final exam, right? So again, this mock becomes very important to understand, solve, and to do everything properly. Now, a very quick question to everyone. Am I audible, visible? Everything is clear. Everything you guys can see this properly, clearly. So just a quick yes or no, please, on that front. Just a very quick yes or no on that front. Then I'll be starting. I will be starting. Chalo then, sir. Audio, video clear. Perfect. There's a delay in comments, sir. Sir, first question, so of math, not mathematics. So let's see, not this one. So first question is this one based off DI. Based on DI, sir. Okay. Let's see. The following table shows the marks scored by 4 students out of 50. Total marks by A and B together in all 4 subjects. A and B together. So they are asking the sum of all these 3. Achha, unit digit method will not work because you see the 3 options that I can see, all 3 are ending in 0. So you have to do. But again, be a little bit smart here. So this is sir 60. 60 and 50 is 110. Correct, sir? Now. This thing, sir. Sir, it is 80. So it becomes 190. Sir, these 3, sir, it is again 70. 260 it becomes. Sir, 20 is remaining. So 20 means 280. Done, sir. That's your answer, 280. I guess option D then. I guess then option number D. Ye dekho option. Perfect, everyone. So again, when you are adding, please see the numbers once, then you start adding. Next one, sir. Next one, very simple question. Some we have started with. The sum of two numbers. The sum of two numbers, sir. A and B is 50% more than the third number C. A is this thing. Acha, chalo, sir. Less than B, na? Is it like jumping a little bit? The picture? I'm having a मेरे को गलत लग रहा है क्या? चलो ठीक. No, it is jumping. It is jumping. रुको ना एक second. हाँ. Now it is okay. Because zoom में थोड़ा कुछ हुआ था. It was moving. On camera, I guess you can't see, but again it was moving. अच्छा sir. A is 25% more than B. Let's start with that, sir. B, I am taking 100. Okay. Acha, not 100 because the value is given, na? So I must take a variable 100x. Sir, A will be then what, sir? A is 25% less. So it is 75x. Now, A and B sum, that is 175x. Sum. 50% more than the third number C. So whatever is C, this represents 50% more, meaning this represents 150. I need 100. So this is 2 times, 3 times. So I don't think like we can do anything. So it is 350 by 3. 350x by 3, sir. Correct, sir? Correct, sir. Now, difference between B and C is 24. B and C. So this is sir C. This is your C, sir, right? 50%. So this is C. 50% less. A plus B was 50% more than C. So this is C. Now they are asking, this difference is given as 24. So it is what, sir? 50x by 3, the difference if you take. 350 minus 300. That is given as 24, sir. Calculate C. They are asking this. Sir, actually, you don't need to calculate anything, sir. Multiply 7, multiply 7. Right, sir? So 140 and sir, 28, sir, 168. 168. Option D is the answer, sir. Option D is the answer, sir. Yes, Reena, you are correct again. You are again correct. Very, very good. Very, very good. Perfect, everybody. Everybody makes sense. This thing completely makes sense, I hope. I hope this is this completely makes sense to everyone. ये नहीं है, नहीं है, नहीं है. Unit digits, sir. Cyclicity question, sir. चलो. अच्छा, sir. 7 3. अरे sir, एक भी shortcut नहीं है. All the options, all the numbers don't have any shortcuts. Sir, 17 means, sir, cyclicity is 4. You see, all 4 are having all, like, there are 4 numbers that has maximum cyclicity. 2 3 7 8. You see, 7 here, 3 here, 8 here, 3 here. So nothing. So chalo. So 17. 17 means cyclicity 4. So remainder is 1. So it is 7 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 32 is divisible. So it's 3 square. 8 to the power 8 cubes, sir. 3 to the power, sir, again 3. So 3 to the power 5 also you can write, or rather let's do normally, sir. 9 5 1 2 is 8 cubes. So I'm writing 2 only. Huh? This is 7. Cube is 7. So this is 7 7 9 9 9 1. So answer is 2. Unit digit must be 2, sir. Option C. Option C. Yes, Reena. Perfect. 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 Everyone. Need answers. Need answers from everyone. Pipe A and B can empty a tank in 6 hours and 8 hours respectively. Pipe C can also empty. Achha, chalo, all 3 pipes. Huh. Achha, sorry, fill and tank. Fill and empty tank. I'm not looking something. पता नहीं क्या दिख रहा है. Achha, this is inlets, these two, and this is outlets, sir. Chalo, sir. So 1 by 6. Achha, P, Q, R. Sir, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, and this is 1 by 10. But this is outlet, remember. So multiply, sir. This is the efficiency. 1 by time ratio gives you efficiency ratio. We all know this. Efficiency ratio is 1 by time ratio. Sir, multiply by what, sir? 8 and 10. Sir, 40 is LCM there. And this is a 3. 120 is the LCM, sir. 120 is the LCM, and that becomes your total volume, sir. And if you multiply this, na, sir, this is 20, this is 15, and this is 12. These are the efficiencies. This is negative. 3 pipes are open together. Sir, how much will be filled, sir? 35 filled, 12 gone. So this is 20 and 3, sir, 23 liters every hour, sir. Efficiency combined. Now, sir, total volume 120. How much time? Acha. 523 is 115, 5 by 23. 5 whole 5 by 23, sir, option. Option D, sir. Yes, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct, you guys are. So this one, just let me check who is calling me. Chalo. Acha. AB is the diameter. Okay, this is diameter. This is diameter, so center. AD is the bisector. Okay, this is Y, then this is also Y, bisector, sir. Y is 28. अरे सर ये तो कुछ नहीं है. X पूछा है सर. X is equal to this angle plus this angle, sir. Sir, 190 plus 28, 118. Now why? Sir, this is diameter, means this is a semicircular angle that is always 90 degrees, sir. This is always 90 degree. This angle is given as 28. This is the external angle of this triangle, sir. External angle is always equal to the sum of opposite to internal angles. So 90 plus 28 is the answer. You see, option 1 is the answer. Option 1 itself is the answer, sir. Option 1 itself is the answer. Clear, everyone? Moving on. If you do not understand anything, please feel free to ask. Average of 10 numbers is 510. Like 51, so total is 510. ठीक है, sum. First 7 numbers is sir, let's take this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So last 3 numbers, whatever is the average, first 7 numbers, the average is different, sir. Right? So what is that? First is 2 times the average. So if this is x, this is 2x, sir. Sir, it's very simple. Total is, sir, into 7. One, so average is this, so total is this. Total, sir, plus 3. Sir, this is equal to what total, sir? Total 510. Sir, 14 3, sir. X is 30, sir. 17 3s are 51. So they're asking find the average of the first. So they are asking the value of 2x 60, sir. Option D is the answer. Option D is the answer, sir. Option D is 100% the correct answer. दो line का questions है sir. These are all one liners, two liners and so on. Not difficult at all. Not difficult at all, sir. चलो moving on. ये भी नहीं है. Simple interest and अच्छा mixed question. चलो ठीक. A person invests this much in a scheme offering 4%. Achha, after 2 years, meaning total so simple interest will be 8% of this. 2400, sir, 8%. Now 3000 in another scheme, sir. 10% compound in annually 2 years. That gives you 21%. You should know this. If you don't know this, please get to know this. AB theorem lagao 10 plus 10 plus 10 square by 100. Okay? Now, tell me calculation. So 20 for 60, sir, this is 160 and sir 30 to 192, sir. Plus this is sir 63, like 630, sir. We'll do calculation. 630 plus 200 is sir 830, 8 less, so 822. Option C is the answer. Option C is your correct answer, sir. It is your correct answer, sir. चलो जल्दी से आगे बढ़ते हैं. Very simple questions. In how many years? Sir, very simple. So total interest, sir. Whatever is this value, a percentage of this. So total interest 1596 out of 3800 percentage ke liye into 100. Now this is the total interest. So they are asking rate of interest. No? Sorry, rate of interest is given. So that means this much interest he got in certain number of years. That number of years will be every year he gets 7. So that's the answer. Kar lo calculation, sir. 0000. 38, 19. So 2 se pehle karo, sir. 2 sevens are 15. Sir, 1. 19 means 18. 8. Sir, 4 is 76. 2 is sir 32. 7, 6. So answer is 6 years. Answer is 6 years. Answer is 6 years. Yes, very, very simple. I told you in my classes, like the whole simple interest, compound interest we have done using percentage only, sir. That was our question. That was our question. Sir, how to think about these questions? Method of difference. Sir, first of all, speed will be, sir, 72 into 5 by 18. So that is 20 meter per second. Right? Sir, platform crossing in 30 seconds, man standing crossing in 18 seconds. Meaning, sir, own length in 18 seconds, own length plus platform length in 30 seconds. Can I say that means in this difference of 12 seconds, it crosses the length of the platform. So that means the length of the platform is what? Speed into time, sir. 240 meters is the answer. एक line का question था, sir. If you know how to solve, if you know how to think, how to approach. Clear, everybody? Everybody clear, sir? Everybody, this is absolutely clear. The platform length. So whenever this 18 seconds, it is crossing its own length. This 30 seconds, it's crossing a platform, meaning its own length plus the length of the platform. Meaning out of this 30 seconds, 18 seconds it took to cross its own length. So remaining 12 seconds it took to cross the platform. So that means whatever, we know speed, whatever distance that train will go in those 12 seconds, that's the length. That's the length of the platform, sir. Perfect. Not difficult, sir. कौन सा था 240 था ना? चलो. Milk and water. Two mixtures AB having this. Acha. Hey, baap re, you have to calculate. Okay, not a difficult calculation. First, 2:3, 15 kg mixture. So sir, milk will be milk and water, no? Milk and water. Milk is 2/5 of 15, sir. That is sir 536. ऐसा हॉर्न देता है ना. So this much. Sir, second way 5:21, sir. So milk and water. Sir, one part is like 3 kg, so 5 parts 15 kgs, and 2 parts are 6 kgs. They have mixed it. Sir, what will be the total milk? 15 and 6, 21. This is 9 plus 6, 15. So 3 sevens are this, 3 fives are this. 7:5 will be the answer. 7:5, option D, sir. Option D, sir. Option D, 7:5 will be the correct answer. Not difficult at all, right? Not difficult at all, sir. चलो थोड़ा आगे बढ़े. Sir, ratio of ages of this. क्या पूछ रहा है sir? What would be the difference of P and Q? 5 and 3, 2 multiple. अरे sir, 3 answers are 2 multiples. 3 answers are there which are 2 multiples. It won't work. Smaller numbers में use बहुत difficult है ये use कर. But average after 4 years is अरे sir. Average after 4 years is this. Let me say this. So if you increase everybody's age 4 years, average will also increase 4 years. If you go back, the average will also decrease 4 years. So if the average after 4 years is this, the present average will be set 20 years. You just subtract 4 years from there as well. Now the ratio 5:3:4, right? What would be the difference? Sir, like if this is at 20, what is the average here? Average is 4. You see 5:3:4. The average age is 4 units. That is 20, sir. So every unit is equal to, sir, 5 years. Right, sir? Difference between P and Q, sir, 2 units. 2 units will be, sir, 10 years. Option D, sir. Option D, sir. Clear everyone again? Everybody clear? Clear ho raha hai, sir? You see, all about approaches. This is all about approaches, sir. Yes, Reena, perfect. ये क्या दिया है रे? 63 and 27, they are complementary angles. अच्छा. But 50 to 38, this is also complementary. But ये multiplied क्यों है? Still, it doesn't matter. It will. Let's see, sir. Let's see, sir. Sir, 63 is twice, na? 63 को रखो, sir. 3 sine squared 63. 6. Sir, sine squared 27 will be cos squared 63, sir. Minus. This is 3 cos squared 63. Why, sir? Because these two will cancel. Tan cot 52, I can write tan 38, sir. Tan 38 and cot 38 cancels. Because we are talking about what? Achha, ye now it's okay, sir. 6, अच्छा 3. अरे ले भाई. Sir, 3 sine squared like 63 degree. Plus, so this is equal to 3 cos squared 63 degree. So answer will be, sir, 3 into sine plus cos, that is 1, sir. So answer is 3, option A. Answer is 3, that is option A, sir. Option A, 3 is the correct answer, sir. Very, very, very simple. Very simple question, sir. Very simple, right? Moving on, sir. बाप रे, already 40 तक भी नहीं जा पाया आज. Sir, HCF of this. Acha. Whenever you get questions like this, now, which is very common in NTPC, sir, HCF stands for highest common factor, right? Options may always start checking from highest. Why? You see, 2, it might be your answer. 3 might be your answer. If 2 is the answer, 4 can also be the answer. I have to check. But again, if 4 is the answer, then I don't need to check 2. Please understand, sir. Because 4 can contain more than 2. Similarly, sir, 6, if I check, I don't need to check anything. Like not 2, not 3. 4, still I need to check. But sir, highest common factor means the highest possible value. Let's check. Let's start your checking from 6, the biggest option. The biggest, largest option, sir. Sir, 6 divisible by 6 means divisible by 2, divisible by 3. All three numbers are even, they are divisible by 2. So just by 3. So 3, 7, 8, 15 divisible, 6 divisible. I said the answer is 6 only. Just check the divisibility criteria of 3. Done, sir. Done, sir. Clear? Moving on, sir. This is as simple as it gets. Out of 100 students in a school, 5/8 are girls, rest are boys. The 1,000 students, 5/8. Sir, 1/8 of 1,000 is 125. So 5 into 125. So 625, sir. They are boys. Number of boys are 625. Out of them, the ratio of failed and passed is 1:2, sir. So failed, they are asking passed. So I don't need to figure out failed. So passed will be, sir, 2 parts out of 2 plus 1, 3 parts of, sir, 625. हाँ, ये तो डिविजिबल ही नहीं. जस्ट 1 सेकेंड, मैंने कुछ गलत किया क्या? No. No, sir. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 5, 13. It is not divisible, na? It is तो not divisible. अरे 5/8 तर गर्ल्स. अरे मैं क्या पागल हूँ भाई. अरे sorry. 3/8 are boys, na? Sorry. These are girls, sir. So boys will be, sir, the remaining 375. Sir, iska लो आप. 2/3 of this, these many students are passed, sir. So 125, 2s are 250, sir. That's your answer. That is your answer, sir. Completely my mistake. I couldn't see it. Yeah, तो I am illiterate or like. चलो. Next one, sir. Below line graph shows the percentage of students who passed in each of the 6 exams from a class. Now students who failed in each exam out of total number of students. Acha, okay, sir. Chalo. So please understand number of students passed and percentage of percentage of students passed, and that is number of failed students. ठीक है, sir. Let's see. What is the difference between number of students who passed in chemistry? First things first. Number of students who has passed in chemistry. Chemistry said this one. That is this part. Right? This is number of failed students is how much, sir? Or rather, percentage of passed students is how much, sir? That is this. This is 50. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Sir. So this is 56%. Right? 56% students did what? They have passed the exam. So I need to figure out the value of 56%. But, sir, what is given? This value is given as 88, sir. Right? So this 88 represents what? The number of students who have failed. So 56% passed means 44% has failed. So that means, sir, into 88, so 1% is 4 by 44. So the number of students will be, sir, 112, sir. That is only from chemistry. Same we need to do for English. English, this one, sir. How many have passed, sir? This is 66%. And this is, sir, 102, this value. So that means the remaining is, sir, how many have failed? 34%. That value is 102, sir. That is into 3. So this will be, sir, also into 3. So this is 198, sir. 180 and, sir, 18, 198. So they are asking the difference between 198 and 112, sir. So 6 and this is 8. 86 का difference है, sir. 86. अरे no worries, Reena. कहा कितना है हम लोग का? 86 ना? 86. अरे no worries, Reena. This was a little better DI, little better DI, compared to the other ones. अच्छा था, ठीक है. बाप रे, कितने सारे DIs थे. Following pie chart shows this and this and this. 8 publications. Cost of books total is 8,500. अच्छा, state the correct. So total is 8,500. Remember, please. This is 8,500 total. भूल गया तो गड़बड़. The sum of total cost of books by D and E together. D is 16%, sir, and E is at 11%. Total is at 27%. So 27% of what? Total is 8,500. Sir, 85 into 27. So let's see. 85 twos are 170. 1700. 85 into 7. 85 times 7. 7 eights are 56. 5 sevens are 35. 95, this is 22. 22, 95. So 1 is absolutely correct. Second one's a difference between total cost of A and C is this. Sir, A is this 10%, C is 12%. So 2% ka gap, sir. 2% will be 17, sir. Sir, 190. Sorry, 170, sir. 190. So this is not correct. This is not correct. It should be 170. So only the first statement is correct. Only one. That's your answer, sir. That is your answer, sir. Perfect, sir. Perfect. Perfect. Next one. Next one, sir. Time and work. MDH concept. The builder took a contract. The builder took a contract to build the building in 40 days and employed this many workers. After 24 days, it was found 1/3 of the work completed. Then how many more workers? So this is 4 days before. ठीक है sir. Sir, total 40 days में से out of 40 days, 24 days work is done. So remaining is sir 16 days work. Remaining is sir 16 days work, right? Now he wants to finish 4 days early. So actually, how much time does he have at his hand? So he'll say 12 days. 16 minus 4, that is 12. So he has to complete the whole work in 12 days. Sir, what is the total work? Sir, whatever, you see, 3 times of whatever the work that has already been done. Because whatever work is done, that is what? That is, sir, the 1/3. So total will be 3 times, but again, we don't need total. We need what, sir? We need only twice, because 1/3 is done means 2/3 is remaining. So 2 times. Sir, how much work is done? 25 workers, everybody, let's say, like does 1 unit every day. They have worked for 24 days. Correct, sir? Now this needs to be completed in 12 days. So how many workers? Divide kar do, sir. So that is 100 workers. So they are asking how many more men. So there were already 25 workers. So he needs to employ 75 more. Then only this particular thing will be done. This particular thing, then only it will be done, sir. Again, is this clear? Again, sir, does this make complete sense? Arey, very simple question. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. Aa jao, sir. This is what? Partnership. Raghu and Prabhu entered. Raghu and Prabhu, sir. With 20% more. Raghu is 20% more than Prabhu, sir. Prabhu is 5, Raghu is 6. 20% more means, sir, 1 out of 5. After 8 months of the beginning, Raghu has left. So Raghu was there for 8 months. End of 1 year partnership, meaning, sir, Prabhu was there for the whole 12 months. Chalo, sir. For 6 or 4 threes are this, 4 twos are this. Nothing else, nothing else. 12 ratio 15, it will be the PSR, profit sharing ratio, sir. Profit sharing ratio will be, sir, 12 ratio 15. Now total is this. Raghu will get what? 12 parts out of the total parts. 12 parts out of total 27 parts of 7020. Sir, 3 fours are this, 3 nines are this, 9 to ye se jayega, sir. 7 nines are 63, 72, 8 nines are this. So 78 into 4, sir, 320 minus, sir, 8. 312. That's the answer, option C. Option C 3120 is the correct answer, sir. It is your correct answer, sir. Very, very, very simple. Very simple, sir. Correct, sir. चलो 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 ये तो 683. अच्छा, three mixture. अरे sir, use allegation twice in this situation. So whenever you see this is a very after a long time I've seen this question. दिल खुश हो गया sir. बहुत, I guess at least couple of years. After I guess couple of years at least, sir. In these situations, na, you see the ratios are three ratios. Take allegation twice. Now, there is only one particular thing that you need to keep in mind. Sir, 8, 6 and 3 rupees, mixture is 5 rupees. Na? You please understand. I've told you guys one thing in your allegation classes. Sir, allegation, the mean value, the middle value, the resultant value has to be always lesser than the bigger number, like greater than the lesser number. It has to be always in the middle. That is why we call it mean, mid like this. So that means, sir, 5. Now, like why I'm saying this, you see, you might say, sir, I can take the allegation between these two. I can take the allegation between these two. I can take the allegation between these two. Now the question is, I'm saying you need to take twice, not thrice. It is thrice. You see, three places. So please understand which one. So I have to decide or I have to check which one I will kind of not take. Sir, that I'll decide based on this value. Sir, 6 and 3. 5 comes between 6 and 3. Yes. So this one I'll take. 8 and 6. 5 comes in between. No, sir. This is the one I won't be taking. And 8 and 3, 5 comes. Absolutely. This also I'll take. So two allegations. Which two I'll take? Where the 5 can be one of the values. Otherwise, ये तो होगा ही नहीं. If you write 8 here, 6 here, and sir 5 here, you can never take allegation. This is impossible allegation. This is impossible to do. You see, why the ratio will come out in this case as negative? That is impossible, sir. Correct, sir? Everybody clear na? Clear na how I'm choosing? How I'm choosing my battles? Chalo le lo. So 6 and 3. 6 here, 3 here. So this is second versus third. Second versus third and 5 is middle. So this is 2, this is 1. 2 ratio 1. 2 ratio 1 for second versus third. Now. And now I'll take, sir, what? 8 and 3, sir. 8 and 3 if you take, sir. 5 is middle. This is 3. This is 2. 2 ratio 3, sir. 2 ratio 3, sir. एक सेकंड ठीक है सर कॉमन इज दिस 3 ना this 3 is common, right? This 3 is common. ठीक है sir. So this is 1, this is 3. Just a second, just a second. There is something that is not right. एक second sir. एक बार देखने दो मेरे. 8, 6, 3. 8, 6 and 3. If this is going like this, 6 and 3 here. I've not made any mistake ना. कोई mistake हमने नहीं किया ना. कोई mistake हमने नहीं किया ना. We have not done any mistakes. रुक जाओ सर. 6 and 5, 1. 3 and 5, 2. 8 and 3 I've taken. 5 is in between. 5 is this. This is second and third. Second and third. This is first and third, sir. ये रुको सर. Something is not right. Comment आना भी बंद हो गया. If you do this, 6, 3. First one is not matching, na. First one is not matching. It should have matched. No, sir. Something though not right. Anyone can figure out any silly mistake that I've made. Anyone here can figure out any silly mistake that I've made. कुछ silly mistake हमने किया क्या? Any silly mistakes at all, sir? Any silly mistakes at all? चलो मैं दूर से देखता हूँ. I cannot find any silly mistake actually. Anything at all you guys can find? Anything at all, sir? हमने कुछ किया क्या? Silly mistake maybe, which we should not have done. Which we should not have done anything at all. I don't think so. I do not think so, sir. पता नहीं. This. अच्छा अच्छा एक सेकंड एक सेकंड एक सेकंड. These two are matching ना. Both are twos ना. ये करके देखो ना. So this is second. First is 2. Second one is 2. And third one will be 3 here, 1 here. If I take this. ये ऑप्शन में है क्या 1 1 2? अच्छा this is there. अरे my mistake. I was doing पता नहीं क्या. It is, you see, I was saying that it should be equal, it should be equal. It is equal already. You see, I have not seen it. My mistake, my mistake, my mistake. अरे ये गड़बड़ कर दिया. So you see, nothing like this. You see, I'll take for first and third 2 liters here, 3 liters here. You understand? Just think like normally. So 2 liters of first mixture. And sir, this is first mixture. And sir, third mixture I've taken 3 liters. ठीक है sir? And second mixture, I don't know. Second mixture, second and third is saying you take 2 liters of second mixture. And third mixture, how much you take, sir? You take 1 liter of third mixture. So total, sir, how much we are taking, sir? 2 liters here, 2 liters here, 4 liters here. अरे sir, मैं पागल हो गया पूरा. Option A 100% is the correct answer. पता नहीं क्या हो रहा. And I'm thinking like crazy कि कहाँ गया question, कहाँ गया, क्या हो गया. Sorry, everyone. एक सेकंड का क्वेश्चन था, 2 मिनट लगा दिया. Sir, anything I've told you, this is one. Only one way we can get this done, sir. This is A equal to 1. बैठा के देखो हमेशा होगा sir. And if this is -1, the A equal to -1. You see, A 1 to the power 11, 1 to the power 11 is this. So now you can do minus A, sir. A to the power 4 means 1 minus 1. Answer is 0, sir. Answer is 0, sir. Perfect. Perfect, sir. Perfect, everyone. Perfect, everyone. Very simple questions. चलो 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 चलो. चाहिए हो गया सर. A book whose selling price is 1320 earns a profit of 10%. Sir, CP will be 1320 into 10% profit means this is a 110, this is 100. Sir, 11 as a 0 0 first you cancel 11 12s are this. So 1200 is CP, sir. If the same book is sold at this, what will be the loss? Sir, 300 rupees loss, sir. Out of 1200 rupees into 100, sir. Answer is 1/4, 25%. Answer is 25%, sir. Option C. Option C, sir. Option C. Reena, the mixture here? Yeah, sure. Definitely. Reena, let's do the rest of the questions. Not many are remaining. Then I'll come back. Works, na? Works, na? चलो ये थोड़ा खत्म कर लेते हैं, वी हैव टाइम, डोंट वरी। अच्छा ये मारुत सर बोलेंगे, बट स्टिल इफ यू वांट आई एवरी वीक आई सॉल्व ना। 1235 meaning से 23 addition. Addition based series, it's very like clear cut, right? 35 to 78, 35 to 40, like plus 40, 75, so 43, sir. This is, sir, again 23. Again, array, sir, हो गया, sir. Plus 23 plus 43. So again, this will be plus 23, no need to calculate, this will be plus 40. So your answer will be 167 plus 43, sir. Ending in 0 is this, that's the answer. That is your answer, sir. That is most definitely your answer, sir. Perfect. Perfect, sir. Chalo, 210. Find the value of 3x5. The 9-digit number, the 9-digit number is divisible by 7. 72 is one of the most repeated things. 8 into 9. Always take 8 first. Why? Because it involves only 3. 9 lenge to I need to take the sum of everything. So 4, 6y. This is divisible by 8. Sir, first always start with the lowest value of y, that is 0. 460 divided by, sir, 8. Calculate, sir. Sir, 5 8s are 40, 60, sir. 60 means, sir, 64 if I have, that is divisible. So the least value, so you see, just by dividing you will get, sir, it is 4 less than 464. So 464 is divisible now. So that means y value is 4, sir. The only possible value. The only possible value is 4 for y. So the number itself becomes 315x72464. This is now has to be divisible by 9. Let's see, sir. 7 and 2 9s are divisible. 53819 divisible by 9. 4 plus 6, 10 plus 14 plus x. This must be divisible by 9. How, sir? X if it is 4. 14 plus 4, 18, that is divisible. 18. Okay, sir. So that means the answer 3xy, 3 into 4 into 4. Y is also 4, x is 4. 16 3s are 48 is answer. B is your answer. Yes, Reena, 48 is correct answer. 48 is most definitely your correct answer. Clear, sir? ये क्या है, sir? Any multiple 4m, 8m? नहीं. Not multiple, then you must do one thing. Cross multiply, sir. But again, can I say one thing? Sir, you see, if just always look at the coefficients. 4 plus 3, 7. 5 minus 1, 4. Meaning I can say m equal to n1, n equal to 1, like put it. You see, this is satisfying the equation. 4 plus 3, 7. 5 minus 1, 4. Done. Do it, sir. So the answer will be 8 plus 9, 17 by, sir, 11 minus 4, sir. How much? 7. 17 by 7, option C, sir. Option C is your correct answer. ठीक है? Moving on. This is what, sir? अरे बाप रे, calculation करवाएगा. चलो, sir. It's a very calculative question. ठीक? But again, let's see if I can do something. So options में 8, 9 and 7, 9. Not much. Not much. चलो. So this is, product is this, one of them is this. The other one will be, sir, this thing divided by this thing. This is division. Sir, let me write it. 46369 divided by, for decimal 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. So 7 zeros. So I'm just not writing it like this. 10 to the power 7, sir. Into this one, sir. By 521, sir. 3 zeros, sir. Meaning it will be 10 cube. So you do this, it will be 10 to the power 4. This is division by 10 to the power 4 means, sir, my answer will either be this or be this, not these two, sir, because I need 4 places after the decimal. Now, 500 into whatever gives you this. The answer you just see is very close to 9. This is very close to 8. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45, sir. So 100% my answer is option A. 100% my answer is option A, sir. Because It is almost 9 times. 5 nines are 45, we all know. So just go with that. Option number A is the answer. Arey, last one was. Yes, yes, yes. If the first number is 15 times greater than the second number, so this is x 15x. Acha, 15 times greater, meaning it is 16 times. It is not 15 times of the first number, 15 times greater than the, bigger than the first number. What percent second number is less than the first number? अरे सर x नहीं चाहिए सर, इसको 1 ले लो, इसको 16 ले लो सर. Take 116. So they are asking 1 is what percentage less than this? Sir, 15 less out of 16 into 100, sir. Or rather, can I say one thing? How much less than 100% it is, like kind of calculation is difficult. Sir, it is 1 less 1. This is 1 part out of 16 parts, that is 100. So 16 means that it is 6.25%. So the answer will be 100. How much less? 100% minus 6.25%. So it is 93.75%. Option, 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 option A, option C, sir. Again, sir, option number C. Oh, comments क्यों नहीं आ रहे? What happened? What happened? जल्दी बनाओ. जल्दी बनाओ, sir. Next one, next one, next one. A boat goes 50 kilometer downstream and comes back at this. Okay, speed is the speed of the current. So 50 kilometer speed of the current. So speed of the boat is x plus 5 plus 50 by x minus 5. It is 7.5. Speed of the boat. They are asking the value of x. Achha, in this situation, it will give you a quadratic. Do not solve. Take options. Sir, 12 plus 5, 17 never can be the answer because it needs to divide. So it will be multiple of 5s only. 15 beta hona, sir. 15 plus this. 15 plus 20. 20 means 5 by 2 plus. And this is, sir, 10, 5. Yes, sir, this is the answer. 15 is the answer, sir. Option B. Just check the options. Again, because this will give you a, this will give you what? Arey, kaun sa beta? 15 beta na? Yes. This will give you a quadratic equation. Always try to avoid solving quadratic. It will take time and there is a strong chance it might get, like you might kind of get stuck there. Thoda time chala jaye. The base is 3/4 of its height. Perfect. Sir, height is 4x. Base is 3/4 meaning 3x. Area is, sir, base into height. Sir, multiplication is 972. Sir, 4 से कर दो, sir, 416. Sorry, क्या कर रहे हैं हम? Sir, again, sir, 4 2s are this. 424 ही तो था. पागल, ठीक है. 4 2s are this, sir. 4 4s are 16. 1 3. ठीक है, sir. 3. 3 is, sir, 81, sir. So x square is 81. X is, sir, 9. Base, they are asking base was 3x. 3 9s are 27. Done, sir. Done, sir. Yes, Anirban, Reena, you guys are correct. You guys are correct, everyone. Very, very good. चलो 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 चलो. ये तो मेरे से कभी नहीं होगा, ये हो सकता है. A is 45% greater than B, sir. C is less than B, sir. B is the like anchor. B is 100, sir. A is 45% greater, meaning A is 145. C is this much less, that means C is 65. C is what percentage less than A, meaning base of the calculation is this. Sir, how much less? 6 and 8, sir. 80 less. 80 less out of 145 into 100, sir. Sir, 5 16s are 80, sir. 5 2s are this, 29s are this. चलो सर करना ही होगा सर. 1600 by 29, sir. Options देख के कुछ, अरे सर कुछ नहीं आएगा. चलो क्या ही करे सर. 5 30s are like 150. So 5 29s are 125. Right? 5. So 129 means how much remaining, sir? एक सेकेंड. 5 6 हो सकता है क्या? Option in or nothing. रुको 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 रुको. 530s are 150, right? So 529s are 145. Sorry. So 15 remaining, right? 15 remaining 150. Sir, 55 point something hai kya? Option C is the answer, sir. 55 point something, option C is the answer. No need to do the entire calculation. No need to do the entire calculation. Reena, yes, you are correct. You are absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Following graph shows the number of animals in 5 different zoos, 2010 to 15. Okay. Find the total in 2010. This is this. दोनों साथ में दिया है. This week the questions on DI was very good. Little tricky. Total number of animals in ABC 2010. So ABC 2010. So 620, 620, 400. 1240, 400 meaning sir 1640. Sir. Done. X. Average animal D in 20 this. Achha sir. 560, 580. Average is 570 sir. X plus Y sir. Chalo theek hai. So this is to like 110. This is 2210. Answer sir. Answer de do bhai. 55 1. 55 1. Anirban didn't get you brother. Did not get you. कितना आया था? अरे वही तो भूल गए. अरे how much was that? अरे फिर से करना होगा सर. भूल गए सर. भूल गए सर. टोटल नंबर ऑफ एनिमल्स ABC. चलो चलो और एक बार जल्दी से कर लेते. It will not take time. ABC 200 like 2010. अच्छा एक सेकंड. Had I taken 620 there? पता नहीं. Sir, 7 and 4 sir 100 and 1100, 1720 sir. ठीक है. Total plus the average of this 565 this is 5 this 70 sir. So answer will end in 90. If you want sir पूरा ही कर लो sir 2290. अच्छा was one previous. अच्छा no worries 2290. अभी let's see 2290 2290 2290 है sir. अभी sir. Sir, it is a cube minus b cube का formula sir. Answer is 0.6. दिख रहा है sir. A cube minus b cube is a minus b. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square sir. Divided, the whole thing divided by this is given sir. This thing cancels. This is my answer. 0.6. Option C. Option C. Option C. 0.3 like 0.6 is the answer. Perfect sir. Perfect sir. Perfect everyone. So this is this. Achha, that was your last question. That was your last question. Just 1 second. कौन call कर रहा है पता नहीं. अच्छा, this was your last question. Now, Reena had asked one question and that was question number याद है? 50 के बाद था sir. That was after 50. This one sir. This one sir. This one sir. Now, Reena, please understand when you are having this type of situation, please understand. Yes, Reena, don't worry. I have that in mind. I have that in mind. Don't worry. Sir, understand, sir, 5 is the middle, like the middle value, the resultant value. So you need to take the allegation twice. Now, which two? 6 and 3. Please understand, you will only take those two or that particular allegation which has 5 in between. Because 5 is the resultant value, it has to be lesser than the biggest number, bigger than the lowest number. So 6 and 3, in between 5 is there. Yes, sir, I'll take this. 8 and 3, in between 5 is there, I'll take that. But 8 and 6, you see, 5 does not come between. So this I'll not take. So first things first, if I write, Nasir, first mixture, if I'm taking 8 and 3, first mixture, and this is the third mixture. This is why we got confused in the last time. So just write it properly. So 6 here, 3 here. So you see, if you do this, it is 5 in middle. So this is 3, this is 2, sir. So ratio of first and third is 2:3. Similarly, if you take 6 and 3, sir, 6 is the second mixture, that is the third mixture. Third is common, that is the mistake. 6 here, 3 here, 5. So this is 1, 2, sir. 2:1, 2 ratio. So ultimately, sir, first mixture, what you have taken, how much amount, sir? 2 liters. Second mixture, how much amount you have taken? Sir, 2 liters. Third mixture, how much amount I need? So 3 liters here and 1 liter here. So totals are 4 liters. So ratio 2:4. That means ratio is 1:1 ratio. Clear? No worries, no worries. Is it clear now? Is it clear now? Everyone, is this clear? Is this clear? Makes complete sense. How did you match 1 and 2? Where have I matched 1 and 2? I have not matched, Rina. Think I need to alligate twice, right? So first alligation, I'm taking 2 liters of first mixture along with 3 liters of the third mixture. Second time alligation, I'm taking 2 liters of this mixture and 1 liter of the third mixture. So ultimate meaning what happens, please understand. You think like this, Rina. So first what I've done, I have alligated these two. I've taken like container 1 and 3. And I've taken 2 liters out of container 1, 3 liters out of container 3. Now I'm seeing said this ratio is not matching. So who will match that ratio? Or what I'll do to match that ratio? So I will take the second container, that is second and third, the second alligation, and this will now balance things. This I'll use to balance the ratio. So that is what I have done. So meaning you see, like from the container 3, I am actually taking out the content twice. Once in this, once in this. So total will be added, na? 3 liters here, 1 liter here. Clear? Yes, that is because I have taken out twice, so I have to add, na. Reena, you tell me. I have taken out twice, na, so I have to add, na, total how much I have taken out from container 3. Is this making sense? Is this completely making sense, sir? Perfect. Perfect, Reena. Tell me, yes or no? Batao. Anyone having any questions, please ask. Please ask, sir. Reena, tell me now, if you still have doubt, feel free to ask. Feel free to ask. Why I've added? Because I'm taking out the container 3 contents twice. No, 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 chalo, or ek bar. Why will not you get? Like, won't you be getting it? Chalo na, I'll make sure. Don't worry. Aja. Fits. Reena, you see, we are doing alligation twice. Meaning, what is alligation? What does this 2:3 means? It means I am taking 2 liters from the first mixture and 3 liters from the third mixture. Now, if I do that, you tell me, sir. If you do that, think, sir, 8, like take the weighted average. I'm calculating the price. So 8 into 2, sir. And this is, sir, 3. So that is how much I've taken? 3 liters. 3 into 3, sorry, it is plus. So 16 and 9, that is 25, sir. By 5, I got 5 liters. Right? Rupees 5. But if I now say this, this is my solution. Please understand. So now 8 and 3, if I take this in this ratio 2:3, my mixture, the final mixture is 5 rupees per gallon, right? But please understand, the moment I take even a drop from your second container, so this ratio, this 5 rupees will not be 5 anymore. Garbad ho jayega, sir. Understand, sir. Understand, sir. This is done when I'm taking only first and the third container. So the ratio 2:3 still there. But the second I take a drop from the second container, गड़बड़ हो गया, sir. Why? Because you understand, I'm talking about allegation. If I'm talking about allegation, brother or sisters, please understand. In that situation, I have to, if I'm taking this as a pair, na, so I'm taking some material from this, some material from this as well. Now, once I take anything, actually, if you don't even take from both, if you take a drop from any of them, the whole calculation is gone. So, meaning this you must take like the materials from these two containers in such a way so that this 5 rupee wala condition stays intact. For that only I have done the other allegation. Meaning, please understand, from third container, I am picking twice. Once while I have kept first and third, when alligating these two, I have picked something from the third container. And while alligating the last two, I have again picked something from the third container. Whereas from first and the second container, I have picked like materials only once. Only once I have picked materials from the first and the second container. But whereas from the third container, I have picked the materials twice. I have picked materials twice. So this is once 3 liters. This is once 1 liter. So total how much I've taken from the third container? Can I say 3 liters and 1 liters? Total I've taken 4 liters now. That is how I'm calculating. That is, got it? Perfect, perfect. अरे क्यों नहीं होगा? होगा. No worries. ठीक है. So that was then it for the day. Now again, fifth is your exam. So again, I'll like definitely. I guess this is the last time we are meeting before the CBT1 exam starts. Don't worry, next week also I'll come and do the same thing because not everybody will be giving the exam then. Na? So, but again, this is the first time, I guess, last time I'll be meeting for like with them, with those who will be giving the exam, with those who are having the exam on 5th. So again, all the very, actually 5th ko, I guess, no, I'll come once more. Na? I'll come once more, I guess, next week. Yeah, next Tuesday is 3rd, I guess. 3rd. So no worries. So again, thank you so much everyone for watching. All the very best for the exam. And I will then again see you guys tomorrow with the CHSL mock and we'll keep on meeting every day at 5, right? So again, thank you so much. I didn't know what is Rina. It's absolutely okay. Absolutely okay. Perfect. So again, thank you so much. Take care and definitely I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.